Story 5. When Dinner Became Silent.
Dad, I have good news from school today.
1 minute, Lucy. I need to finish this call.
Mom, my picture got a good score today.
That is nice, honey. Please wait. I must send this email first.
Luka, do you want to see my picture?
Sorry, Lucy. I need to study. I have a big test tomorrow.
Okay.
This work is very important. I cannot stop now.
I know. My work also never stops.
I need to be first in class again. I cannot lose.
Can we eat dinner without phones tonight?
Not tonight, Lucy. This deal is important.
Maybe another day, sweetheart.
You always say another day.
Lucy, do not be sad. I am just busy. Everyone is busy. But I am here too.
We know, Lucy. We are doing all this for the family.
But we do not feel like a family now.
This house is big, but it feels empty. We live together, but we do not talk.
Maybe my picture is not important. Maybe I am not important. I must get the best score again. Dad works hard. Mom works hard. I must work hard too. I cannot fail.
Luka, can I talk to you?
I am sorry, Lucy. Not now.
Just 5 minutes?
I really cannot. I have to study. Okay. Good night.
Nobody has 5 minutes for me. Mom, Dad, my art show is today.
Today?
Yes, my painting will be on the wall. I really want you to see it.
I am sorry, Lucy. I have meetings all day.
I also have a very important meeting.
So you cannot come.
I am sorry, honey.
We will try to come later.
I can go with her.
Really?
Yes, I will stay with you. Promise? I promise.
Good. Luka, take care of your sister.
Stay with her until the show ends.
I will. Thank you, Luka. I feel better now. Luka, my painting is over there. I see it. Let's go look.
Luka, you are here. Yeah, I'm here. Good to see you guys. Luka, everyone is talking about your school article. Are you joining the big contest this year?
Maybe. I am still thinking.
Luka, can we look at my painting first? Yes, Lucy. 1 minute.
Luka, how do you always get high scores?
I just study a lot.
Come on. Tell us your secret. Luka, you promised.
I know. Please wait here. I will come back soon.
Please do not go far.
I will not, Lucy.
Everyone sees Luka. Nobody sees me. My painting is here, but my family is not.
Luka, why haven't you come back yet?
The second place winner is Lucy! Congratulations, Lucy!
Your painting is very warm. It made many people feel something.
Thank you, teacher.
Did your family come today?
My parents are busy. My brother came with me.
Great. Where is he?
I do not know.
Maybe he is outside.
Maybe.
Let's take a photo with your brother later.
Okay.
Lucy? Lucy, where are you? Lucy, where are you?
Are you looking for Lucy?
Yes, she is my sister.
She left a few minutes ago.
Left? Alone?
I think so. She looked very sad.
No, she should not be alone.
Pick up, Lucy. Please pick up. Did you see a little girl with a painting? I saw her near the bus stop. Was she alone? Yes. She looked like she wanted to cry. Oh no. Lucy, I am sorry.
Luka promised to stay. Mom and Dad did not come. Luka left too. I thought today would be happy. Why do I feel so alone?
Lucy! Wait up! Lucy! Wait up!
Oh, hey there.
Mom, Lucy is gone! She got on a bus alone!
What? Luka, why was she alone?
I saw the bus leave. I ran after it, but I could not catch it.
Luka, you promised to stay with her.
I know, Mom. I left her alone, and now I cannot find her.
Stay at the school gate. Do not move. I will call your father now.
Maybe I should get off here.
Wait, this is not my street. This is not near my school. Oh no, my phone is dead.
A little girl alone? No parents. No brother.
I have to find a public phone and call my mom. She is probably worried.
Is he following me?
What should I do?
If you feel unsafe, do not panic. Find a place with people. Stay calm. Do not let the stranger know you are scared.
Stay calm, Lucy. Stay calm.
Hey, little girl. Are you lost?
Mom said, find people. Find light.
I can help you. Why are you walking so fast?
A store! People are there!
Come back!
Are you okay, little girl?
Please help me! A man followed me!
Do you know him?
No, I got off at the wrong bus stop. My phone is dead.
Stay behind the counter. You are safe here. Do you know your mother's number?
Yes. Please, can I call my mom?
Of course. Tell me the number slowly.
234-271-2495.
Mom? Please answer.
Lucy? Whose phone is this? Where are you?
Mom, I got off at the wrong bus stop.
What? Are you alone?
I was alone. Then a man followed me.
A man followed you?
Yes. He saw me get off the bus alone.
He kept walking behind me.
Where are you now?
I remembered what you told me. I found a store with lights and people.
Good girl. You did the right thing.
The man is outside. He is looking in.
Listen to me, Lucy. Do not go outside. Stay with the cashier.
I am scared, Mom.
I know, baby. I am coming now.
Are you really coming?
Yes. I am leaving right now. I promise. Lucy is in danger.
What happened?
She got off the wrong bus stop. A stranger followed her.
What? This is my fault.
Where is she now?
In a convenience store. She remembered what I told her.
Can I help you?
I know that girl.
What is her name?
She is my friend's child.
Then what is her mother's name?
I was only trying to help.
Leave now or I will call the police. It is okay. He's gone.
I was so scared.
But you stayed calm. That saved you.
Thank you. You saved me.
You were very smart. You came to a safe place.
Lucy, I am here now. I am so sorry.
Mom? I was so scared, but I remembered your words.
Lucy? Are you hurt?
No, I am okay, but I do not want to be brave alone again. Lucy, I am sorry. I left you alone. I waited for you, Luka. I was alone at school, and then I was alone at the bus stop.
You should never feel alone like that.
We were too busy, and we almost lost what matters most.
Your daughter was very brave. She found a safe place.
Thank you for helping her. We will never forget this.
I will stay with you next time. I will really stay.
You will not be alone like that again.
I only wanted my family to come.
We are here now, and from now on, we will be here more.
From today, no phones at dinner.
And no work talk at dinner.
Really? You will not leave the table?
No, we will stay here with you.
I like this dinner.
I like it too. I missed our family.
Your painting looks beautiful on the wall.
Yes, it makes our home feel happy. Today, I do not feel alone.
You are not alone, Lucy. We are here.